up, everybody? This is CutiePie88 and thanks so much for tuning back into my channel. So today I am coming to you guys with a great new product. This is the Curlified unit by Freetress Equal. This is a 5x5 crochet wig. They've already did the crocheting for you. You don't need to do it. The crochet in the front of the wig will allow for natural movement and more freedom in your parting. The cap is mesh, it's breathable, it's stretchable. Is stretchable even a word? I don't know. But it also has anti-slip silicone bands in the back. Y'all, this unit is bulk free and it gives you a natural bang style and it gives you fullness all over the unit, volume that you've never seen on a crochet wig before. So let's go right into it and let's check this unit out. Alright, so here's the unit straight out of the box. It is very, very natural looking and it does have two combs near the temples as well as the non-slip bands. And here is the 5x5 crochet area. I'm loving how neat this looks. The mesh cap, it looks super breathable. And it does have an elastic band, which I love. And it also has a comb in the back as well. So this is what the crochet area is looking like. Like I said, it's a 5x5 crochet area and it's really going to allow more natural movement of the hair in the front, definitely. I'm loving the way they've already crocheted this wig for you and you don't have to go do it yourself. So I am loving it. Alright y'all, so the wig is on. Definitely going to go in and style this and y'all just stay tuned while I show you guys some super quick styles with this gorgeous unit. Y'all, I'm loving the versatility of this unit, so you guys stay tuned and see how I style the new Curlified wig. So this is definitely one way to style the unit, half up, half down, with literally no leave out. I just fluffed out the front area. So this was really super quick and easy. And yeah, this is just one way to style it. As you can see, no leave out, and this is super, super convenient. And it looks really good. And that is how quickly you can go from one style to another. All I did was simply create a bun, and look how good this looks, y'all. It's literally put on and go, and you can style it within a few seconds. So one thing I love about this unit and like curly crochet units is it's really, really flexible. If you want your part to the side, to the left, or to the right, it's very, very easy. And with this unit, all you have to do is fluff out the curls a little bit for a little bit more realistic look. But later on, I'm going to kind of cut the ends and shape the wig a little bit more as well. But I like the way, because on some ladies, the part is, looks better on the left to them. And some ladies, they like it on the right, and it's very, very easy to change. I do suggest pulling out a little bit of baby hair around the front to kind of make it look a little more realistic, and that's all you have to do. Love it. So right now what I'm doing is just cutting off kind of like the longer ends. I like my curly bangs to fall just right at my eyebrows or right above them, just so it's not hitting my lashes. And just those little bit of snips make a huge difference in making the unit look fuller at the ends. Very, very simple. This is another styling option. I kind of thought about it at the last minute. It is really, really easy. Like, you can just slip on a headband and you can literally make this a curly headband wig. I love how versatile this unit is. It's really, really simple to change the look, and you can just put it on and go. But wait, there's more to the style. I've seen a lot of ladies, especially natural ladies, kind of do this method, and it is so cute. I decided to make a curly bang, and all I did was just tuck a little bit of hair, in front of the headband, and look how cute this is. It's giving like a 50s, like a cute 50s vibe. So cute. I've definitely seen a lot of naturalistas do that, and I think it is so cute. So I do recommend going in and just trimming up the ends of the unit if this is the look that you want, just to make it a little bit neater, and that's all you have to do. This wig is really beautiful right out of the box, and it doesn't need a lot of work. So I want to thank you guys for watching, and be sure to thumbs up this video, like, comment, share, and be sure to hit subscribe. And thanks so much, Freetress, and thank you guys for watching. See y'all soon. Bye.